Uwe briew kerteng udonal sok tun ula Shah kem no haki pulit kerenjak police station hadian ba ula Shah keno don keti ha ka penyap biala ke jong ke kurim ka pria kongstia hapok ke yingwai ka bakisong kisa ha Nongrah nulum Shillong. Ya unia ubri ula kem no hadian ba ulawan pendam yala di ong Superintendent of Police ke East Khasi Hills ubak Vivek Siem habakran syakilat patai kubor hakakat kendai terik jeliu. Ngila Shim ya kani kum ka special report case bat shen ngin sa charge sheet halor kani ka jingja ula ong. USP ula ong ru baha ka jing tokit lalap ba kadaw ka balam Shah kani ka kampanyap. Ka day halor ka jing suba ba ka kurim jong u ka pria ka don ya ka jingya day bari na lor jong u. Kini kishi kurim kila poisha ka jingyan ya ka bajur bat day ha ka bakum kani ka por ba udonal ula tit ya ka da umau na ka kli bat hadin ula sop ya ka met jong ka da ka blanket bat pet kerat no na kani ka ying ka bakishong kisa ula ong. USP ula ong ru ba ya ka met yap jong ka lalap hadin laisngi hadin jong ka tay ka jingja bat ya ka ejahar la mudui da ki bahaya ngasem jong kani ka lanot ha ka laipo terik ujemang baladem. Habakali uni uhe pulit ula ong bahar rengkat ke kenhun forensik kira leit Shah kete ke jaka balaja ke kampanyam bat da ke jingarap jong kiksos madin ki pulit kilalap ru ya umau bala penden kam ha kini ke kampanyam. Na kaliang ki bor pulit menta kidang penlong ya ke jing tok kiet ke babanya halor kini ke jingja.
The Nongrah case, accused is arrested. In fact, he is rendered on the same day himself after police gave chase. The body was actually ascertained it was found out after 3 days, and we had visited the place of occurrence. The forensic team also had come there. We had taken the dog spot next day. The weapon which was used, or the item which was used to murder the woman also, which was a stone. Which was thrown close by. The canine had sniffed it and sniffed apparel belonging to the victim and actually traced the stone. So we had recovered that stone. He is in judicial custody. We're treating that as a special report case, and we'll be charging that case very soon. Kya hai hasni ban bod hi? Kata Hari tu kasih kata hari kasih bagi ma bhag trek ma life ho trek. The motive there was an altercation because between husband and wife. Husband was suspecting spouse of an affair and all that, and got into an argument, and that's how he hit her. Yes, at night.
At night.